Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I installed this wig from Asteria hair, and I did tone it just because it was a bit too like orange yellowish for me, but all I did was put a T15 toner. I mean, I think it's a color. I don't know if it's a toner, but I just did the T15. I like how it looks on my skin, so that's pretty much all I did with the 20 developer, and I used about 3 bottles of them and just put it everywhere, and I didn't even do anything else. Like, it gives like a root effect by itself because it's so ashy and everything, and I really do love how this looks. The wig is 22 inches, I believe, but this is how it looks. Wigs just look longer on me because I'm so short, but it's a 13x4 lace, but I feel like it's still pretty deep, so a decent one. And it was transparent lace, but it's more on the thicker side, which is not my favorite, but I still made it work. And yeah, if you guys want to see more of like how I did this, I guess, install and how I styled it and how I did the edges, then I will be showing y'all in the next clips. But this video is kind of a mess, so I started in the morning and I had to stop, go to my lash appointment, and I have to get ready for my birthday, so that's why I start with makeup and then I finish the video with this look. But anyways, if you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done the bald cap method, and you want to make it a little bit darker than normal, because with blonde hair, like, you want it to look realistic, and when your hair is blonde, your scalp actually looks darker, so that's why it's a little bit darker. So the hair is from Asteria hair. This is what it looks like. So the hair was $6.13, and all I did was use like 3 bottles of T15. Like, it's a toner. Well, it is a color, but it acts like a toner, and it gave me this color. I feel like this would suit my skin tone better, so that's why I toned it, but you guys could use T18 or T14 or anything that works for you. And then I've already went ahead and plucked a little bit. I don't need to pluck too much since it's blonde, and the lace is transparent lace. It's a bit on the thicker side, but I can still make it work. And now I'm just going to put some foundation. So I'm going to use my foundation shade and also mix like a shade that's a little bit too dark for me so that I can get like that scalp look. Okay, so put the foundation on. I feel like it's a little too light, but I can't tell. I can always fix it up after. You can always put powder after, but I think that should be fine. So I made all the marks, and now I'm going to go in with my glue, and I'm going to mix Ghost Bond Platinum and Ghost Bond Supreme, and I'm going to do about 3 layers. So I put my layers, and I did about 4 layers. My Ghost Bond Platinum was like finishing up, so I added an extra layer of the Supreme. I think I added 2 of these actually. And now it looks like it's ready to get stuck. So now you just want to align the dots with the dots that we made on our skin. And you really want to like press into the skin and make sure everything is tight. So I start with the middle. And so I'll start with this side. Like, you need to be able to feel the grip. So I pull when I glue it. Oh shoot. And don't do what I did. And it should give you kind of like a facelift, because you press so tight. Now using a comb, just pressing it into the skin more. I'm just gonna hot comb it back one more time. And then taking an elastic, I'm just gonna tie it around, because we want this melted right into the skin. And then I leave this on for about 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to take this off and cut the lace. Okay. This part can get tricky, so make sure you have a mirror close up. so that you don't make the wrong cuts. It's on my head, not bad. All I have to do is just make sure the color matches my skin, and I also need to glue anything that's lifting. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue anything that's lifting off camera, and then I'll come back for like the coloring and all that part so that you guys can see what I actually do. Okay, so I have everything glued on, and all I'm doing now is getting my foundation shade on a brush and just tapping on the lace so that it matches. And so that it's not too orange, I also mix a shade that's a little bit darker. So just keep playing around with it and see what matches your skin and what looks natural for you. Yeah, like that looks good. Just a little dark here, but I think it looks fine straight up. Yeah, and I can always play around with it later, but this should do for now. Okay, so now I'm going to take out what I want as my baby hairs and then wrap everything else. So I'm going them around here. And I want pretty exaggerated baby hairs, so and then taking my hot combs, I'm just gonna press it down. And now just keep doing that wherever you want your baby hairs to be. And just wrap it down, but leave the baby hairs out, if that makes sense. This is definitely a two-person job. Okay, so now I'm gonna straighten the hair and do my middle part, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm just going to take my wax stick and use my hot comb as well and make a middle part. I'm going to take this off for the middle part so I can be exact with it. It's actually a pretty deep part. It's supposed to be 13 by 4, so it's giving me 13 by 6, kind of. Okay. Middle part is on. I think it looks okay. I just don't like how thick the lace is. I know you can't see it on camera, but for me it's just bugging me a little, but it's not that bad. I think I'll be okay. Okay, I'm literally like in a rush. I have like 10 minutes to get to my appointment, but for the edges, I'm first gonna cut. And I always cut diagonally. I'm gonna make them a little bigger. That. Okay, and then using this little curler. This is from K&K Professional Flat Iron, And I believe this is a, I forget what it was, but I'll put it in the description. It's just one of the tiniest ones. And now I'm just gonna get these baby hairs and then curl them inwards. Like that. And now using some Got To Be, I'm going to spray the brush first. Hard with nails. And then put it on here. I'll fix it up later, but just like that. I love it. The hairs just bring everything together. Oh my gosh, so cute. I literally have a lash appointment right now in like about 20 minutes. I need to get ready and go. But let me first lay this. I'll probably just film the like reveal, I guess, afterwards. Should have curled this one more. Whatever. Starting to like it. I was kind of scared, but okay. So I'll be back for the reveal. I'm just gonna go to my lash appointment and then I'll be back in literally a second for you guys, but I'll be back. Okay, so I finished my lash appointment and I'm all like dressed up and stuff. I'm running late. It's my birthday today, so happy birthday to me. But this is the hair. I didn't really skip any steps. I just had it wrapped and I put like a dark concealer here just so that it looks like scalp, if that makes sense. And that is pretty much it. And here it is. I straightened it. The hair is really nice. It's not like high quality, just to make sure everyone knows. It's not like the best hair I've had. It acts like regular blonde hair, like it kind of knots up, it does shed, so just be aware of that, but it does what it has to do, like if you need it for like an event or something, so it's cute. I really like how this turned out. I made the lace work. I was a bit scared because the lace is on the thicker side, but it worked out and I need to go to my birthday, so I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video.